All right, how's it going, guys? I just wanted to give you guys a tour of my portfolio website and kind of give you an idea of what went into making it and how the site functions from an admin standpoint. On the left-hand side of your screen over here, you'll see uh, the homepage of the website, and this is live right now. So the website is hosted on Azure. It's a Azure web app, and everything you see is built with a Django framework, which is what you see on the right-hand side here. And I use PyCharm as my IDE, and it is linked to a GitHub repository, which will be not only on the website itself as a project, but it'll also be in the YouTube video link. So let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to show you guys, just kind of give you a tour of the website. This is the home page. This is about me here, and we'll go next to the resume. So this is the resume here, and I wanted to show you what this looks like in Word. And you'll see that I basically just recreated my actual resume in the website to make them look similar. The whole idea was kind of have some continuity there. So um, But yeah, this would be what I would give an employer if they wanted to see it. And then next section is the contact hire me side. So this is how to get a hold of me. This is my email, my phone number, and then these are my social media as well. So you can click on my LinkedIn if you wanted to and go to LinkedIn. And it wants me to sign in. But yeah, that links to my LinkedIn profile. And then let's go to the projects page. And right now I just have a couple of sample ones, but we'll click on one of the sample ones and then I'll go through the process of looking at or creating one of these and also commenting and things like that because it does have a full um, sort of blog functionality as well. So let's go to manta rays here. And this is actual video from our trip to Hawaii when we went swimming with manta rays. It's really cool. I always recommend it to anyone who goes to Kona. Um, so here's some Latin filler text down here, and then an embedded YouTube video, and you can play this video, which is pretty cool. And then down here, you can add a comment. So I'll go in here and let's say let's guest, and then let's put in some text. This is a comment. Check it out. And I'm gonna go like this because I've built in sort of like a clone of the Medium text editor, if anyone's ever used Medium before. So you can make it bold, underline, whatever you want to do with that. And I'll hit post. And you'll notice it didn't pop up down here, and that's by design. So we'll show you that in a second here. So I'm going to log into admin, and this is the admin login. So now, if you'll notice, there's two new options up at the top bar here. So I can make a new post, and I can see my draft post. So let's go in and make a new post. So let's go, let's say this has a video. So we're going to go, this is a URL field, essentially in Django. I'm using a module, I think it's called Django. Let me open the requirements check text here. Django embed video. That's what it is. So kind of gives you the tools to embed a YouTube video easily in your website so you don't have to, fiddle around with it. And it gives you like a Django form section and a model so you don't have to make your own custom model or anything like that. So pretty cool, pretty easy. So I'm going to go to YouTube here and let's go to our sailing YouTube channel and um, let's embed this one. So I'll click on this one and then click share and copy. And then we'll go back to this one and we'll paste that in there. And then we'll give a title, Fun Day at the Lake at, let's say, Lake Roosevelt. Roosevelt. I think I spelled that wrong, but that's okay. And then this is some filler text. And let's save it. And then now it's going to show us what it kind of looks like, but it's not published yet. So if I go to projects here, it's not going to show on here because I haven't published it yet. So if I go to my drafts though, here's the draft. So I'm going to click on the draft and then here it is again. So I can go back and edit it if I wanted to. And more filler text, save. Uh, and there's, the edit right there. So now, if I'd like, I can even comment on this even before it's published. So um, make better content. Then I'm going to post that salty comment there. And then I can approve or remove it. So if I hit approve, it'll approve it. But if you're signed in as admin, you can still remove it. I put a little small one right there so I can hit remove and then away it goes. So now I'm going to publish this. So now it's published. So now if I go to my projects, here it is right here. Now that comment we wrote earlier on the manta rays, we can scroll down here, and this is the comment. Check it out. We can approve or remove. So let's approve it. And here it is. And I can remove this comment here. So yeah, that's pretty cool, and I can go back and edit this if I wanted to. And then if I want to remove this post, let's say, just didn't want to show it on the website anymore, I can hit confirm and remove it. So now it's not on there anymore. So yeah, so pretty cool. And then if you want to see the code side of things, like I said, I'll post the GitHub repository when I create the actual project on my website, and when I post the YouTube video as well, I'll put it in there if you want to see that. But yeah, that's pretty much it.